Eggs are one of the most debated foods in the nutrition world. Are they a health miracle, or are we eating too many? Well, recent research may have just answered that question. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know the ideal number of eggs to eat every day for optimal health. It's simpler than you think, but the answer may surprise you. Why eggs are so popular? We all love eggs. They're versatile, nutritious, and packed with high-quality protein. Just one egg contains around 6 grams of protein, as well as vital nutrients like vitamin B12, riboflavin, selenium, and even choline, important for brain function. But eggs are more than just a healthy breakfast choice. They've been tied to numerous health benefits, from building muscle to supporting your immune system. But here's the catch. Eggs are also high in cholesterol, and that's led to a lot of questions about how many we should actually be eating. The truth is, the number of eggs you can eat varies depending on a few key factors, like your overall health and specific diet goals. The science behind eggs and cholesterol. For years, eggs were viewed as unhealthy due to their high cholesterol content. Each egg contains about 200 milligrams of cholesterol, which is around 70% of the recommended daily intake. But here's the truth that many people overlook. Eating cholesterol-rich foods doesn't necessarily mean that it will raise cholesterol in your bloodstream. In fact, a majority of people experience little to no effect on their blood cholesterol from eating eggs. The cholesterol in eggs tends to raise HDL, the good cholesterol, which can help remove LDL, the bad cholesterol, from your arteries. But, and this is important, some people are more sensitive to cholesterol. If you have a family history of heart disease or high cholesterol, you may want to be more mindful of your egg consumption. The research findings. Now, the most recent studies have changed the way we think about eggs. New research suggests that eating up to 6 eggs per week is perfectly safe for most people and can actually benefit your health, including reducing the risk of stroke and heart disease. One study even showed that eating up to 6 eggs a week was linked to a lower risk of heart disease in people who are otherwise healthy. Now, don't just go cracking eggs left and right. This study also revealed that those who ate more than 7 eggs per week had higher cholesterol levels, so moderation is key. But if you're in good health, sticking to about 1 egg a day is likely safe and beneficial. How many eggs should you eat? So, how many eggs are right for you? Experts now suggest that 4 to 6 eggs per week is the optimal number for most people. That's roughly 1 egg a day, unless you have specific dietary needs. For example, athletes looking to build muscle or those who need more protein might benefit from eating more eggs. The high-quality protein in eggs helps in muscle repair and growth, making them an excellent addition to your diet if you're exercising regularly. If you're someone who's managing cholesterol or trying to eat healthier overall, sticking to 4 eggs per week might be a safer option. This gives you the protein and nutrients you need without overloading on cholesterol. And remember, if you're eating eggs in other foods like baked goods or sauces, be sure to count those too. Choosing the right eggs for your health. But it's not just about how many eggs you eat, it's also about which eggs you choose. Free-range and organic eggs tend to have a higher concentration of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D, which are excellent for your heart and brain health. They also have fewer toxins compared to conventionally farmed eggs. Look for eggs labeled as omega-3 enriched, which are specifically produced by hens that are fed a diet rich in flaxseed. These eggs contain even more omega-3s, which help reduce inflammation and support cardiovascular health. These small choices can make a big difference in your overall health. Cooking methods matter. Another key factor to consider is how you cook your eggs. For optimal health, it's best to cook eggs in a way that doesn't add unnecessary fats or calories. Boiled or poached eggs are great because they don't require any oil. Scrambled eggs are fine too, but avoid using too much butter or oil in the pan. If you like your eggs fried, use heart-healthy oils like olive oil or avocado oil instead of butter or margarine. These oils are rich in monounsaturated fats that support heart health, without adding the unhealthy saturated fats found in butter. So there you have it. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein and essential nutrients, but it's important to enjoy them in moderation. For most people, 4 to 6 eggs per week is the sweet spot, providing health benefits without the risk. And remember, choose the best quality eggs you can find and cook them in a healthy way. Want more tips to boost your health? Subscribe to WellBoost and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on expert wellness advice. Drop a comment below if you love eggs or if you have any questions about your daily diet. See you in the next video.